Hello friends, good morning. In this session, I will start one playlist for the Excel part. In this Excel part, first I cover bit basic Excel, then moving to the advanced Excel, and then after the VBA macros part. Uh, with the three section, basic, advanced, and the macros part. So today in this session, I will cover add, subtract, multiply, divide, concatenate function, and the average. So here we have the data is given. Data. That data is in the form of integer, and this is in the form of a string. So I will show you in how many ways we can do the same things means by the different method. So first I coming to this addition part. Yeah. First I cover the addition part. I will just mark highlight on that. Check with different color. Sorry. Not selecting it. So covering the addition part, find first step. Suppose we have this table. I will do operation on this table. By the first method, I have to do the operation for the addition part. So by the first method, it can add the value. If you want to add this value, just go with equal to. When you start any function, any formula, just start with equal to. Equal to it, the Excel that understand is kind of formula. The things which start with equal to. So equal to open bracket, click on this A2 and just 87. So I want addition value for this in that column. Then close bracket and just on it. If you this is for the vertical. If you want the sum in the horizontal way means 65 or 5. So I will do like that equal to sum. Okay, click on first one, then press shift and forward arrow means the right arrow, then close bracket, or you can just directly hit enter. Another way, if you just typically want to see the value of addition, just go here, take this one. You see here the value will be the sum is 74, like that. Once select this one, you directly get the sum of 1230, same as it is here. So summation part is covered. Coming to the subtraction part, same as it is starting the formula. So we start with equal to open bracket. The subtraction is between the two numbers, so we just do open bracket. I want to subtract with this value to this value. So open bracket, select this one. This one set A2 minus will be select from the keyboard, and then select this 5. Close bracket, enter. This will be your that will be your subtraction value. If you want to multiplication with the two value, just put equal to bracket 65. Okay, bye. Okay. The multiplication value of two numbers 65 and 3. Divide with the same as it is like equal to bracket 65. Uh, Divide taking from the keyword, and then select this one 5. Select enter, and a concat. Concat means you want to combined two kind of value, not summation. It's combined two value. Just like your first name and your last name. You just want to combine your name in one set. We use concat function. Or same like that. If I want to concat 65, 4, and 5 in one cell, if we want this value 65, 4, and 5 in one cell, we use concat function. So for applying concat, we write a formula equal to get open bracket, select this A2, shift to uh, right arrow, bracket, enter, enter, and all three values in one cell 65, 4, and 5. If you want to concat the number, the number part I have covered. If you want to concat the two string value, is the first name and the last name. Yeah, you can see that. So you here equal to concat, get first one, shift right arrow, bracket, enter. See here. The two first name and the last name will be combined, but there is no space value between them. So I want a space value between them. So we have some a little changes in the formula. So I'm writing the formula equal to concat, open bracket, take the first name. What you have written the formula here, no? Same things will be reflecting here. This is the formula same. This. So I have to concat uh, take this. I want a space between them. So I select the E2 value. To putting some the space between the first and last name, we want a space. For a space, we put the space value in the double quotation. Double quotation. So in this double quotation, sorry, between the double quotation, we put some space. A single space is enough. Then again, comma, and then last name Vijay. Then enter. See, Digvijay, space Vijay. That is enough for today's session. No, one is remaining average. Average. If I want to find the average for the 4 or 5 or 10 number, so for that there is one separate formula equal to average AV bracket. I want to take average with this for three value 65, 4, and 5. So click select first one to the range 0 bracket, hit enter. So this is the average value. This is in the horizontal way, and in the vertical way, I will show you the value. Same with the formula, only little changes equal to AVE origin average. Open bracket, this one, 87. Close bracket, hit enter. We're getting the average value. If you want to quickly check the average value, so select this value. You can see here the average will be 102.102.5, same as it's 102.5. If you want to check in the horizontal way, so it's 24.66. They will show you that. So this things for today's. So we'll come with another video with remaining topics. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.